We asked hundreds of security professionals what they wanted to see this year at IFSEC, and here's what they had to say. Show me how to install the kit, show me the vendors I can trust, and show me the possibilities and the capabilities. What do all three of those have in common? Show me how.
Show Me How is a new thing for IFSEC this year. Essentially, it's about demonstrating products. It's not about selling the product, but it's showing how those products work. And we want customers to get the very best out of our products.
This is an interesting little solution. This is called a lock-in. So if you don't want to allow the network cable to be unplugged, you need a special tool to unplug it from the socket, for the security market.
So it's how we stitch that all together and promote and educate people to do that. So it's just not a salesy type thing, it's more of a technical aspect of how that all works and making sure the actual result at the end of it is the right one.
Yes, it's very good to see people are actually interested. We'll be back again next year, definitely.
It's about punching the brand up. It's very high visibility. I would say half of the visitors to our stands this week have been international visitors. We're pretty happy about getting the international exposure.
We work a lot with integrators, so they will come with their particular questions of, okay, I like your product, how can I integrate it into what I already have? To be able to show them the necessary integrator tools that we can offer. It's a brilliant incentive to get people to get a better understanding of the products that they're having a look at.